Hello everyone. So I have two flat earthers here uh, that provides proofs for the globe. The first one is Sleeping Warrior through weather conditions and visibility. He makes a lot of effort going out and filming the Isle of Man at 30 miles distance. And most of the time he has bad weather, not exactly like this, but the visibility is always poor, and it's not fog or clouds, it's just bad visibility. What I mean by not fog or clouds, that it's homogeneous. It's not just a white patch and a darker patch. So what we see here is usually the closer distance, like this one, has a higher contrast, and the further you go is lower or less contrast because of the water vapor or pollution in the air, and like this one and this one. You can even see the horizon in this one, so you can get a clue how heavy is that poor visibility. Now this is his picture, or part from his footage. And as you see, the contrast of the water is the same. It doesn't change. The close between the close and the far part of the water, or the water line. And suddenly above the water line you get a lower contrast. So that means that there's no gradient in distance like this picture. No, there's a sudden change in contrast like this picture. And so that would be the bulge of water, like this one. So here's the bulge, as you can see it, and also you can notice the contrast regardless to the color of the texture or what you see. This contrast, the white is less white, or the gray is less gray, and dark is more dark. So and by the way, I'd like to point to how the runway is curved. I'm not sure. I don't think that's the curve of the Earth, but maybe that proves something. That please stop saying that surveyors don't account for the curvature of the Earth, because if they do, well, at least we could have seen a little bit flatter runway. The second one is Ranty Flat Earth. He goes out and takes this footage of the wind turbine, and will try to have you convinced that at a further distance the turbine is being shrunk from the bottom, or he call it compression zone or compression layer. So yeah, okay, this got me thinking, what if he's correct, if there's compression, although I see at this part here there's only mirroring, no compression. So this, if it was compressed from the bottom, and maybe that line below the blades will look like this. Everything is compressed, even that yellow and dark portion. So unless he comes out with some proofs that the compression starts at the first few feet only, I don't know how he really think of that, because we must see the whole thing compressed, not just the middle of it. And here's another picture for how flat are the runway, because I've heard some flat earthers say that there's nothing as much as flat as the runways. Thank you for watching.